The field is the outer portion of your power tool's motor. It works with the armature to create an electromagnetic field, which causes the armature to spin. Most problems with the field are caused by overloading the tool. When the tool is overloaded, the field windings can be burned. Common symptoms of a bad field are loss of power and excessive sparks from the armature. There will often be smoke coming from the motor or a burning smell. A bad field can also cause the armature to quickly fail, so you'll want to inspect it closely as well. Replacing the field is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor brushes. Now remove the screws that secure the gearbox to the motor housing. Now remove the handle housing. I'll remove the two screws that secure the other side of the handle to the motor housing. Now remove the field wires from the field. I'll pull the motor housing away from the handle. I'll take note of the location of each of the field wires and then remove them. Now I can remove the field from the housing. First I'll remove the baffle, then the two screws that secure the field, and I can pull the field away from the housing. Now install the new field. As I install the field, I need to align the holes that secure the field to the housing with the holes in the housing. And once it's in place, I'll secure it with the screws. I'll reinstall the baffle. Now I'll reinstall the field wires. I align the field wire with the connectors on the field. And slide them into place. I'll realign the motor housing with the handle and tuck the wires back into place. With all the wires in place, I'll resecure the handle to the housing with the screws. I'll reattach the handle housing. I'll slide the armature back into the motor and secure the gearbox to the housing with the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the brushes. And that's how you can replace the field in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.